How to create an optimal landing page in HubSpot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an optimal landing page in HubSpot.
So, to get started, creating a landing page in HubSpot isn't just about design, it's about driving results. You want your visitors to take a very specific action, whether it's signing up, downloading, or booking. Start by choosing a goal. In HubSpot, you can access the Landing Pages tool under the Marketing tab. Choose a template that aligns with your offer, but don't rely too heavily on layout. Focus on what you want your headline to say, keep it direct and benefit driven. Next, place a form above the fold with only the essential fields. Less friction equals more conversions. Add trust elements like testimonials or security badges below. If needed, add bullet points that highlight what users are getting. Your call to action should stand out visually and use persuasive language like get my free copy instead of submit. HubSpot also lets you A or B test headlines, CTAs, and form length. Use it to see what performs best. Finally, preview your page on both desktop and mobile and connect to a thank you page or workflow. And that's how you create an optimal landing page in HubSpot.